What? Oh, yeah. Salad series.
So cheesy.
What's today? Yeah, pasta salad. Can you have that on keto?
Roll the intro.
What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
The lovely Susan Dice. Welcome back, everybody, to another video on this channel. Let me tell you something. If this is your first time here, do me a favor. Click the subscribe button. It's a little red square button that says subscribe. Just click it. Then move over to the right or the left. Forget which way it is. That way. Yeah.
Left.
There's a little bell. Click the word all so you get all notifications when we upload some great content on this channel so you don't miss a thing. Now, today, it is another salad series in our special
It's another salad
Summer
episode.
of Love.
It's a salad episode.
See, she's all about saying what episode we're on. It's ridiculous.
Wow.
I can't stand, nobody cares, right?
Wow.
But it is pasta salad that, of course, pasta's not a keto thing, so what did we have to do?
We bought faux pasta. I'm all about the faux, but
Well, we have used this before. The same
with spaghetti
video. Hey, let's card that. There's a spaghetti video
It's
right
actually
above
over
us. Yeah, right above us. You can watch that and figure out how to make spaghetti with these same noodles. They're shiitake.
They're shirataki. Shiitake's mushrooms.
That's right. Sorry, Japan.
So it's made out of cognac flour and oat fiber, which the regular like miracle noodles that's just made out of straight shirataki is disgusting.
And these are delicious.
It's like eating rubber bands, the other one. But these are like real noodles.
Yeah.
So
It reminds you that from days gone by when you used to eat pasta. I remember those days I ate pasta. This is reminding me of that. That's what
it
it
works
is.
really well.
It does. So we're going to show you how to make a pasta salad that you can enjoy at the picnic table, maybe on the 4th of July coming up.
Yep, let's get started. For our pasta salad recipe today, we have a bag of Liviva spaghetti noodles, 1 orange bell pepper chopped, 1 tomato chopped, about 5 green onions chopped. And for the dressing, we're using 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white distilled vinegar, and we have 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning.
All right, here's my special talent. I could be a waiter.
The walk back.
The walk back. Look at that, dude. That's beautiful. You got a fork?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I do. And
Okay.
this, you know, we did a confetti salad, and this looks more like something that the confetti salad should look like because
Right,
it's got
because it's got all the colors.
orange. Yeah, because the other one was just tomatoes and
And you were looking. You were wanting a yellow.
Yeah.
And an orange in the other one.
No,
all you
just
had was
yellow
red.
or orange. It didn't matter. Just some
Just
color.
the extra color.
Yeah. So
Okay, so this is pasta salad. We showed you how to make our own dressing because you know people usually pour Italian dressing in by Kraft, but we make our own homemade salad
my
dressing.
God.
Okay, here we go.
Ready? What are you covering for?
Wait.
This is my Aunt Nita. My Aunt Nita used to make this for Christmas. Oh my gosh. She used to make this at Christmas time, and like we all used to go,
Oh, that's delicious right
Aunt Nita,
there, boys.
make pasta salad. This is it.
And by the way, this has been chilled as well. So best served chilled. And
No.
I'll get some after the camera's off. But let me tell you, the noodles taste just like a pasta noodle, and the crunch of the bell pepper. I think that's what does it right there. And the homemade salad dressing. Everything, all the flavors are just delicious. You got to try this, guys.
Yeah, it's really good. It's great for summer, for, salad, barbecue, that kind of thing.
Yeah, summer salads. It's the salad series here on my Keto Friends.
And in the fall, we're going to have a soup series.
Ooh. Hey, what about chili?
What about
football season?
Is there going to be one?
Oh.
Roll Tide? Hope so.
I'm sure there will.
We'll
Anyway, that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed everything that you've learned to do here. If you decide to make this and it's good for your family, please leave a comment down below and let us know how it turned out, what kind of obstructions you ran into, which I don't think you will because it's pretty simple.
Jinx! So simple.
Jinx. Can't say nothing, Susan. But anyway, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Please share and subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about us. Like Susan said, if they don't eat keto, this is still some dang good food. And remember, until next time, keep it shiitake keto.
Shirataki.
Shiitake.
Shirataki.
No, he's not here.